And welcome back. So, unfortunately, it turned out to be longer than I expected. So in part one, I talked about the pieces that you'll need. Alright? Then we started to build just the front there. And then in part 2, we started to build the back and whatever, and then the rest of it here. Alright? So now, what you're going to do is take the 2x4s, and then you place it inside like so. Then you take your then you take a 2 and the 2x3s like that. If you want, you can take off this wall. Ready? So you can build it. I would say to make it easier, you would move this over. So basically, you can create like a little L for Lego. Alright? And then you take your 1x4s and you place it like there. Righty? So now, what we're going to do is we're going to place another 1x4 right there. And then that we're going to take some more of the 1x2s, whole bunch, and then we're going to fill it up. Like so. So basically for this you'll need 5 for that, and then you're going to take some more. Well, actually, you're going to take the rest of your 2x2s, place it all along here. Well, you're just going to need 3. So in that way, you can get your 2, another 2, and then another 2. Whoops. So right like that. And then you're going to we're going to build one more up. Alrighty, so like that. It's the last step. Then I'm gonna place back the wall. Now we're gonna make the clock that's gonna go right here. Alrighty, to show you, to make it easier, I'm gonna take off that wall. So now you're gonna have your 1x4 with the studs on the side, and then you're gonna take your other 2 triangular piece. Oh, this time they're solids. Then you place it on each side like so. Like that. Then you take your 1x2 flat, and then your cap with the numbers, your clock. Then you place it like that. Then you take your clock. Okay, so now with this, you can change the time to whatever you want. You can have it 10:21 or 12:01. I'm going to use 12:01. Alrighty. There, so there's your clock. Now, we're going to put this piece on top, your triangle. Then we're gonna start, we're gonna put that there, and then we're gonna take your 1x3, place it right there, and then you're gonna take your 1x6 and place it right there, and then you take your 3 of your 1x2, your 1x1s, place it right there, and then the other one right there. Actually, leave those end open. Actually, alright. Then you're gonna put your 1x12 there. Alrighty. Once you're done, you're making your clock, and then you're gonna take your 2 1x6s, place it like that, right beside each other. then you're gonna get, you're gonna get your this piece, the 2x6. Then you're gonna get 3 of your 1x6 2x2s, and you're gonna stack it like that, like so. Then you're going to take 2 of the 1x6s, place it like that. So basically, you just made like a regular 2x6. Alright. I did this because I didn't have any more 6s. Pieces right there. So then like that. Okay, now you're going to take your 1x12 and place it right there. So make sure it's at the back. Then you're going to take another one of your 2s, 1x2. You're going to place it right there. No, not right there. Like that. Then you take, well actually, whoops, I made a mistake. You don't take your 1x6. Sorry. Alright? So don't 1x6. You don't take it. Sorry. This is going to take a while. So basically, what it's supposed to be, okay, after supposed to make the cab. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, this is where you put your piece right there. Then you're supposed to get is 2 more of your 1x6, your 2x6s, and then that's going to be the bottom. Sorry about the screw up there. So this is my first time making it. So there we go. Alrighty. Then now you're gonna take your put your 1x2, 6x2 back. Alrighty. Now you're gonna take your 2x2s, the rest of it, well not the angled, and then you're gonna place it right there, and then you're gonna place another one right there. Now you're gonna take a 1x1 flat, alrighty, like so. Like that. Alrighty. So you're gonna have those. Then you're gonna place your 1x2 there. Then you're gonna place the other triangle piece right there. So now you're gonna place this, well, right there. So make sure you leave one open there. Alrighty. So now you're gonna build the edges. Okay, so we're gonna build it along. So, like that. So once you get like right across from here, you gotta leave this spot open. Alrighty? I'll show you later. So then like that. And then you place that right there. And you gotta we'll build that. Well, actually this is gonna move forward. These guardrail. Well, I actually can't, so sorry about this. No. She's supposed to stay back here. Alrighty. Then you're gonna take your, well, not your 1x6. You're gonna take this 2x4, place it right there, place your 3 right there. Place your 6 right there. Place a 4 right there. Place your other, take your other 2s. You're gonna place the regular one back there. Your hook, the one with the hook, like this, right there. So now you're gonna take your horn, place it right there. So that's gonna be your air horn. So ready? Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to make this 4th part. Sorry about that. Alrighty, because I went over.